Hello, welcome to IMA. TNPSC Awareness Workshop for Deaf People in Tamil Nadu. Do you want a government job in TNPSC? Want to learn how to apply? What exams? And why TNPSC is important for deaf candidates? Then this workshop is perfect for you. You will learn: what is TNPSC? Why deaf people should apply? How to prepare for the exam step by step. Accessible study tips and resources. Date: 1st November. Time: 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Online session. Important note: this workshop is only for participants from Tamil Nadu. Applicants from other states, AP, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc., are not allowed. Don't miss this chance to learn how to build a secure government career through TNPSC. Thank you.